Hi my friends, and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. To all of my subscribers, I thank you so much. You're going to get tired of hearing me say this. I thank you and I appreciate you so much for the continued love and support on my new channel. I thank you for sharing. I thank you for everyone who has liked my videos. If you are stopping by, I don't know why you just keep stopping by. Does anyone tell you that it's just rude to just go to someone's house and eat and just leave? It's rude. So hit subscribe so that you can be a part of the positive gang. Once you hit subscribe, you can turn on your post notification. The notification bell will notify you when I post a video. Thank you, and thank you for stopping by. Regardless if you're going to subscribe, I thank you. As we know, Valentine's Day is coming up. It's just around the corner. Today is the February the 2nd, so we have 12 days left until Valentine's Day. And for those who celebrate and just want to do something simple on the face, I did come up with a very simple look for you. It's nothing too crazy. I only used one eyeshadow. I did use wing liner, and what else did I do? Red lips. Red lips for Valentine's Day. Why not? If you're interested in this look, continue watching and see you in the next video. So as promised, I did tell you that this was going to be easy, and here it is. We're using the Naked Pigment by MAC, and we're just going to dust it over your immediate eyelid. You don't need to really go past your crease. Just blend it out to make sure that it's seamless. Here is where we're going to get a little bit more technical. So we're going to do our wing liner, and if you want me to show you a more in-depth tutorial of how to do a wing liner, please comment down below. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your liquid liner and you're going to draw a line from the outermost corner of your eye, and you're going to start at the top and connect that line. So you're essentially making a triangle, like so. Now, I know we all went to kindergarten and grade 1 and grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. I don't know when they stopped coloring, but you color in the lines. So stay in the line and fill in your little triangle shape. And there's your wing. So now you're just going to go back and you're going to finish the rest of the eye following the shape that you already created. Now you can either go right across with your liner, or you can go in smaller strokes, tapping it so that you're joining each line together. In this video I didn't do that. I just did one line because I'm used to doing a wing liner. So again, if you want me to show you a more in-depth tutorial on how to create a wing liner, please comment down below. decided that I wanted to add a little bit of dimension on the bottom of my eyes, so I am using this black shadow, my Morphe palette, and this very flat brush to just create a little inner corner wing to make the eyes appear a little bit bigger, because we're not doing anything really on the eyes. We're just adding a little bit of drama, just a little bit of drama. Cute, right? Going to use that same naked pigment, and the gap that we created in the inner corner, we're going to fill it in so that it's not kind of just skin looking. I'm not sure if you can see, but it does create a bigger eye effect. Darkening up the line a little bit. Any color that I lost, I'm just putting it back in. And now I'm just adding some mascara. So I applied my lashes off camera. Yes. And now I'm using an oldie but goodie, my Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator. Now I think this highlighter goes pretty well with this look because of the red lip that I'm going to be wearing. The more of a silver highlight looks better with red lips. Here I'm going to use another oldie but goodie. It's my MAC Raisin blush. This blush is so universal, it goes on any skin color. Doesn't matter what tone you are, it'll work. I've replaced this blush so many times, it's beyond ridiculous. Now it's time for the pop. The pop of color is the Maybelline Matte Ink in number 20. And I'm telling you, you can kiss, eat, drink, do anything you want. And I'm telling you, this lipstick is going nowhere. This lip paint is absolutely amazing. And there you have it.